Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to run Ubuntu as a Docker container. Before I go to the terminal, I wanted to show how this is going to work. So we have a Docker running in your machine. You double check, just checking here in the engine running and go back. Let's go to the board. So in the board, you can see I have my machine, I have the Docker desktop running. So the first thing you need to go to the register, pull the image for Ubuntu. The register is a place when we have a lot of images and can have Python, Ubuntu, and another OS. So the first thing you go to make the command to request to the register, the Ubuntu image. So this Ubuntu image go to be in your machine. You go to check and see if this image is in your computer. After that, you go to run a command. So that is to create a container with Ubuntu in your machine. You go to check if this is running. You go to install an application. The name will be htop. And you go to see how much resource you go to using right now. And you go exit and go to delete the image. So let's go to my GitHub and I go to show the requirements. The requirements, you need to have the Docker running. If you don't have a Docker desktop in your machine, I have videos to show how make this installation. So let's go to the terminal and start this. So in the terminal, you need to type Docker, pull, and I wanted the last image for Ubuntu. So I put Ubuntu, column, latest. So enter, they go to download the image for us. Okay, they download the image. Let's see if the image is in my computer. Docker images, type Docker images, and you can see you have the Ubuntu latest. So let's run the Docker on our computer. Docker run menus in itd, because you want to interact with the container, and disattach, disattach for the terminal. So let's put the name equal Ubuntu, and just put the image you just download. Image Ubuntu will be Ubuntu, and the version will be the latest. So run, and you can see they start the container. So let's check if the container is running. Docker ps is the command to check. So we'll see our machine is running. So let's go to inside the container. So docker exec -it. The name for the machine you just create, Ubuntu, and I wanna use the bash. Okay, you inside to the machine, you can give a ls here and see you have the machine. So I need you to update and apt upgrade. So you go to update, you upgrade the packages in this container. So apt update and apt upgrade. So enter, then you go to do that. Okay, so let's go install htop. So apt install htop. They go to install htop, yes. So htop install. So just type htop, and you can see I have 12 cores. I have 15 gigabytes memory, and I have swap for 4 gigabytes. And that's all the processes running inside this Docker container. So if you press Ctrl C, I mean disattach, let's go out for this machine, this container. Now you just type Docker and m, put the name for the machine, and force to delete. So if you go docker ps, you don't have the image anymore. That's it. That's how to run Ubuntu as a Docker container. If you enjoyed this video and find something good, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.